Thank you for joining us for the Mitel Connect Workgroup Supervisor training. Today, we'll be discussing all of the features and functionalities available to Workgroup Supervisors. On the Mitel Connect client, you'll notice that there is a Workgroup option underneath Events. By clicking on the Workgroup tab, you'll be able to see all of the workgroups available, whether or not there's calls in queue, longest queued call, and the longest call. And by looking at the Show Workgroup Details, you'll be able to see who is available by the green icon or whether or not someone is on a call. If someone's on a call, you can silent monitor, silent coach, which means that the agent will only hear you, not the person on the other end of the phone, or you can barge into the call and take control. This means that all parties in the call will be able to hear you. For basic user functionality, you could begin a chat with the agent. You can call their voicemail. You can send them a voicemail. Intercom the phone. Whisper a page message. Or alert when available. Let's set alert when available for when Kelly gets off the phone. And we also have the ability to make calls to those users. Kelly just got off the call, so we'll notice that she is available, and we'll also see that she was available at 3:56 p.m. One thing to note, that as a workgroup supervisor, when you log in, you are given the ability to put yourself in wrap-up. This is a feature only available for supervisors, as typical wrap-ups are built into the agent's process, so they do not have the ability to put themselves in a wrap-up. They should be logging out if needing to step away for some reason. Notice that when I'm in wrap-up, my icon is different next to the workgroup.